How to withdraw crypto on crypto.com through bank transfer. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw crypto on crypto.com by bank transfer. So in that case, go ahead and open up a browser and type in crypto.com and log in into your account. So when you open up the crypto.com application or logged into your account, then you just have to simply go to the withdrawal drawer in your fiat wallet. Next, you need to go ahead and add a bank account through which you wish to go ahead and transfer it. When you're done adding the bank account, now it's going to take a time in order to link the bank account. The two small deposits will be added, so you have to enter that. Only then you'll be able to successfully link your bank account. After you're done linking the bank account, you just need to follow the on-screen prompt and tap submit to save your bank account, and you can then proceed to make the withdrawal. So all you have to do is just press the withdrawal and then select the destination, enter the exact amount, and select the cryptocurrency and all that, and you'll have successfully withdraw crypto on crypto.com by bank transfer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.